Hi friends. So one another questions. In these questions, the input is given, output is given. You need to write the code only, and we'll debug it and we'll show you how it is working. So it is saying that make a list with the given input. List. We need to make one list. In that list, whatever string is present, we need the string with count. Suppose Python is 6 character, so it will print the 6. It is make one list. In R is 3, so it make one list. And program is 7, so it will make one list. So we are giving the inputs like this one, and we need to output of like this one. So how it program is works. So what we'll do a split from first, and we'll see what value in a string splits. After splitting, what value is coming, we'll see in. See, once I split the string, it's come like that. Python, R, and program. Then it is easy to uh, make a program. So here is came the list, and what we'll use here, list comprehension to the program. So S, what is this? This is S, and S, what will do? Upper. S dot upper. It's came in one part, means S dot upper, this one. And len s means length of s, length of this. So length of s is this. Okay. And for s in s, this is s, which one, this one or this one. Okay. And it will print the answer like that. Okay. So okay, we'll run it and we'll check. So this program is okay. One second. Okay, what something happened here. Control. What is not coming? Okay, we'll see. So we'll print the debugger here. Somewhere okay, I will put it as splits one, and we'll run it. I will check. Okay, so we'll put a split. What will do? A split in the program. See, it's come list printing. It is printing the list. Now for loop it come. For loop what come? See, Python 6, R3, and 7. So like that it will work. So I have used the list comprehension for that. Okay. The this questions also only asked by interviewers. Okay, they give the input, and they will tell to convert into that list, and we need to count each and every word, and we need to print into list like that they will ask. So this is a expected answer. Okay, thank you for watching.